Guys, welcome back to Pipelo vs YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today we'll be discussing about Eclipse, which is the powerhouse of IDE. So let's get started. So what are the contents here? We are going to give an introduction to Eclipse. We're going to discuss the timeline, the core features, deep dive into Java development, collaboration, community, and case studies. After that, we are going to discuss about beyond the basic advanced features, getting started with Eclipse and the future of Eclipse. Starting with what is Eclipse? An open source cross-platform integrated development environment, which is IDE for multiple programming languages. So how did this start? So you can see from 1991 to 2001, we have IBM Visual 8. Then we launched the open source and founding the Eclipse Foundation was in 2001. About 2004, introduction of Eclipse 3.0 and plugins and platforms architecture. And then from 2006 to 2010, the adoption of major companies and expansion plugins and languages. Then from 11 to 15, we focused on the cloud integration, mobile development tools, which is ADT, and platform enhancement. In 2016, we have continuous evolution, new language performance improvements, community and advancement. This is the same even for 2024. It is still continuously evolving according to the languages we are preferring, and even the community has been increased. So what are the core features of Eclipse? Firstly, we have language powerhouse, extensive support for multiple languages such as Java, C++, Python, JavaScript and more through plugins, and edit Proverse, syntax highlighting code completion, refactoring, debugging, and version control integration for seamless coding. Thirdly, we have project management Maven to build automation, dependency management, and efficient project organization tools. And we require customizable canvas to tailor the workspace layout, themes, and perspectives to match your personal workflow. Next, we have Java development in Eclipse. So Java and Eclipse, a match made in coding heaven, is the code that they say, renowned for its expansional Java development tools and framework integration. Secondly, we have Beyond the Basics, which is JDT, which is Java developmental tools, features like JFace, SWT, JUnit for advanced application building. And then we have Build and Deploy with Ease, leverage Maven and other tools for streamlined build and deployment process. And then we have Debug like a pro, powerful debugging tools for identifying and resolving code issues efficiently. Next, what are the plugin ecosystem? Firstly, we have endless possibilities, a vast thriving ecosystem of plugins, extending Eclipse functionality to cater to diverse needs. Then we have Web Development Warrior, plugins for JavaScript, web frameworks, and HTML or CSS editing empower web development projects. Thirdly, we have Mobile App Maestro, Android development tools, which is ADT, plugin transform Eclipse into a robust mobile app development platform. And thirdly, we have custom code craft, develop your own plugins to further personalized and optimized IDE for specific tasks. Next, collaboration and community. So what are the things in collaboration and community in Eclipse? Firstly, we have collaborative coding, which is integration with tools like Git and Submissive, faculties, seamless project collaboration for community strength, a vibrant supportive community of developers offering extensive resources and guidelines. Then we have forums and documentation, access to official forums, comprehensive documentation and tutorials for continuous learnings. Next, we have case studies, and in the case studies, the first example that I've taken is Netflix with Spring and Cloud Tools. This is the power of open source. Netflix leverages the strength of open source tools like Eclipse within its developmental workflow. This choice signifies their commitment to collaboration, flexibility, and continuous improvement. Building with framework in mind, Eclipse seamlessly integrates with popular enterprise frameworks like Spring and Cloud Tools, showcase how these integrations streamline develop, ensure a code robustness, and enable scalable architecture for managing their vast user base and tangible benefit Netflix has achieved through Eclipse. Use metrics like increased develop productivity, enhanced code quality, and faster development. So Netflix is one of the platforms where they've used Eclipse to achieve what it is now today. Secondly, we have WordPress with Aptana Studio, open to the doors to million. WordPress is powering millions of websites across the globe from code to content. Eclipse plugins like Aptana Studio seamlessly merge coding into the website management features like integrated editors, live preview, and content management tools. Again, for contenters like who use WordPress, WordPress basically uses a studio called Aptana Studio by Eclipse. They use this to make a seamless editing app. Next, we have beyond expected from WordPress. So WordPress theme developed rapid development and customizable themes with dedicated code completion and debugging features. We have plugin creations in WordPress, which includes empower developers to build and contribute plugins to the vast WordPress ecosystem. And thirdly, we have streamlined content workflow, manage media libraries, create posts and pages, and leverages version control directly within the Eclipse, quantify the impact. And thirdly, we have increased developer efficiency, which is the highest, fastest development cycles, and improved productivity through streamlined tools. And second, we have reduced errors and reduced collaboration, enhanced collaboration. Next, beyond the basics, advanced features. So, what are the beyond basics advanced features of Eclipse? Firstly, we have unit testing and frameworks integration with JUnit and other frameworks for comprehensive unit testing of your code. Secondly, we have performance optimization, utilize profiling tools to identify and address performance bottlenecks within your application. And thirdly, we have security code, quality, secure coding practices, and static code analysis tools for building robust and reliable software. Then, how do we start with Eclipse? Firstly, system requirements and downloading specify system requirements and guiding the audience to download and install Eclipse. Then we have to get the workspace set up and configuration should be done. Demonstrating basic workspace, customizes and configuration for a personalized setup. Hello World, building a simple Hello World program in your chosen language to showcase the basic coding environment. What is the future of Eclipse? So, firstly, there are upcoming trends and adaptation. So, the cloud native development, the AI powered tools, and the microservices architecture. These are the emerging technologies which Eclipse has been updating. Second, we have new features in the future versions, which is improved performance, optimization and build times, memory usage, and overall responsiveness planned for upcoming version. Secondly, we have enhanced language support, expanded support for emerging languages and frameworks popular in modern development, example Kotlin, Go, GraphQL. And thirdly, we have advanced debugging capabilities, features like live variable inspection, parallel debugging, and improved call stack analysis for efficient debugging workflows. Next, we have upcoming projects. The upcoming project will include IoT tools, which is plugins and frameworks enabling development for the Internet of Things application with device connection, data visualization, and security features. Secondly, we have data science plugins for data analysis, machine learning, and scientific computing that integrate seamless with Eclipse environment. Thirdly, we have security frameworks and tools with Eclipse ecosystem that promote secure coding practices, vulnerability detection, and threat mitigation. So that's it for today. This was a kind of overall Eclipse ka definition. If you want to learn more, you can go to their official website, try it on yourself, and let me know in the comment down below which language do you think is best used in Eclipse. And if you have any experience, do share it down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.